Don't miss our new listing. It's an architectural beauty and it's an all brick 2-story. Our mega open house is this Saturday, October 26th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at 915 Raff Road Southwest, Canton, Ohio 44710. Priced at $239.9 this beauty is. And it has square footage, it has appeal, it has charm, it has architectural characteristics that you just don't want to miss. And it's on 0.90 of an acre with that big, large circular driveway that has a 2-car garage that serves a property. Beautiful property. Check that lot out here in the overview of it. So as you walk into the home, you have this big foyer area, then the magnificent living room with hardwood floors and fireplace, nice large dining room area, first floor office area, kitchen area of course there, and a half bath on the first floor. Then the lower level has a nice rec room with a bar in it. And this house is open this Saturday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and it has 3 large bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Come check out the property in person. Again, Saturday, October 26th, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Do not miss it. 915 Raff Road Southwest, Canton, Ohio 44710. Get all the pictures at mottsnewlisting.com. That's mottsnewlisting.com and you'll see all the pictures. Thanks so much. We'll see you at the open house.